In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your old Facebook account without password. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here at that search icon to get into search. Once you are at search, just search for your Facebook profile you would like to delete. Just enter a name, hit at search, and then if we switch to people, we'll be able to search for our profile. Also, we can use filter. We can enter city, education, work, and friends to help Facebook filters to find your particular account. And once you find one, tap right here to go to their profile. After that, tap at that button and then tap at report profile. Then tap at pretending to be someone and then tap at me. After that, tap at submit to send this report to Facebook support team. For better effect, you can ask your friends to do the same thing. However, instead of tapping at me, they need to tap at a friend, and then they need to search for your current profile name. So in that way they can search for your profile, tap on it, hit at next, and then hit at submit. After a while, Facebook support will review your request, and if they are convinced that it is indeed your old profile, they will remove it. That's how you can easily delete your old Facebook profile without a password.